Do you ever stop to think about how ordinary things in your home might be harmful to your health? Well, get ready to be surprised, because in the next few minutes, we're going to reveal some eye-opening facts about the everyday items you use without a second thought. From your kitchen sponge to that comfy pillow you love, common household objects could be quietly causing health issues you're not even aware of. Stick around as we uncover the hidden dangers of these household staples, and I will show you how to keep yourself and your family safe. Today, we're talking about something that might make you see your home differently. Things you use every day in your house could be quietly harming you. Your kitchen sponge is full of bacteria, your comfy pillow might have allergens, and even air fresheners could be releasing harmful chemicals. These innocent-looking items can be risky for your health if you don't pay attention. But don't worry. We'll explore these hidden dangers and give you practical tips to stay safe. Stick around to the end as we uncover the surprising truth about household objects that might be affecting your health without you even realizing it. Now that we've got your attention, let's dive into some everyday items that might pose sneaky health risks. First is your kitchen sponge. Kitchen sponges are bacteria magnets, and researchers found 362 types of bacteria in sponges and 45 billion bacteria per square centimeter. Some sponges contain as much bacteria as your toilet. Most sponges end up as plastic waste in landfills. Instead, opt for eco-friendly options like dish brushes, unsponges, silicone sponges, or linen dishcloths. These alternatives harbor fewer bacteria and are better for daily cleaning with vinegar and water. Consider these options for a cleaner, greener kitchen routine. Next is your cozy pillow. It's a cozy spot for dust mites and tiny bugs that love warmth and moisture. They can cause allergies and make it hard to sleep well. Plus, their droppings and body parts can make breathing harder. To minimize the presence of dust mites in your pillow, it's crucial to wash your bedding regularly in hot water, at least 130 degrees or 54 degrees, to kill any mites. Additionally, consider using allergen-proof pillow covers to create a barrier between you and the dust mites. Investing in hypoallergenic pillows made from materials like latex or memory foam can also help reduce allergen buildup. Air fresheners seem harmless, right? Wrong. Many contain chemicals like volatile organic compounds, VOCs, formaldehyde, and phthalates, which can irritate our lungs and give us headaches. Using them regularly might even raise the risk of asthma. Instead of relying on chemical-laden air fresheners, opt for natural alternatives like essential oils or homemade air freshener sprays made with water and natural ingredients like citrus peels or herbs. Opening windows regularly to let in fresh air and improving ventilation in your home can also help reduce indoor air pollution. Even cleaning products can be risky. Many have strong chemicals like bleach and ammonia, which can hurt our skin, eyes, and breathing. Breathing in their fumes can cause more discomfort. Switching to environmentally friendly and non-toxic cleaning products can significantly reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. Look for products labeled green or eco-friendly and check the ingredient list to ensure they don't contain harsh chemicals like ammonia, bleach, or phthalates. You can also make your own cleaning solutions using simple ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice. And don't forget about mattresses. Over time, they gather dust, skin cells, and even mold, which can make allergies and breathing problems worse. Some mattresses also release chemicals that can make the air inside our homes less healthy. To maintain a clean and healthy mattress, regularly vacuum the surface to remove dust and debris, and use a mattress protector to prevent dust mites and spills from seeping into the mattress. If your mattress is old or heavily contaminated, replace it with a new one made from organic materials and certified to be low in volatile organic compounds. It's important to know about these risks and take steps to keep yourself safe. We've uncovered some eye-opening truths about the everyday items in our homes that could silently impact our health. From bacteria-ridden kitchen sponges to chemical-laden air fresheners, these seemingly harmless objects can pose significant risks if not handled carefully. Now, I encourage you to join the conversation by sharing your experiences with household objects that have affected your health. Your insights could help others become more aware of potential risks and take proactive measures to protect themselves. Check out the video on the screen for more healthy home remedies. Remember, by staying informed, you can create healthier homes and lead healthier lives.